Hi guys, welcome back to Love Budgeting Co. And I am Marie. Thank you so much for watching and for being a part of my community, guys. Thank you so much. So, if you are new to the channel, I'm a single mom of a little boy. I live on the island of Puerto Rico. I live off of government help and side hustle income. I do have both knees replaced as well as rheumatoid arthritis. I don't have a job due to the conditions, and I am just documenting my financial journey because sometimes there are other people or the younger people who are struggling right now, but it's from what I've seen on the internet and stuff, a lot of people are saying that their children after college have had to go back to live with them because life is life, and like it's the inflation is hitting a lot of people, especially the younger ones, that it's hard for us to pay rent and pay water and pay utilities and groceries and all that and gas, and things are they just keep rising, and it's harder to find jobs because with things rising, sometimes companies are laying off people instead of hiring people, and it really gets uphill. So yeah, I'm just documenting my journey. Hopefully I will be able to open a budgeting item shop, guys, but right now I have a printable savings challenges shop, so you guys can check that out on KOFI. All links are down below. And today we're doing government help. It's $360. This is what normally I budget, and in the closing you guys see the huge difference. So government help is $360, cash $20, at income $20, for a total of $400. And this pen was highly annoying me. This pen, like, it runs out of ink, and then you use it again and it does have ink. It was just like annoying the mess out of me. Gas has 20, lunch has 5, school funds $1, which I don't even know if I'm gonna put the $1 because my son still has money there from the hot dog days. Groceries, I separated into 70-30, which is $252 and $108. Household $1, personal care $1, son's needs $2, and miscellaneous $0, for a total of $390. Then I did down here emergency fund $1. Hopefully we'll be able to put that in. I did not tackle debt. And Valentine's Day we have $0. Back to school we have $0. Son's B-Day, I will try to add 15 more to give us a total of 30. Mother's Day $0. Father's Day $0. Car maintenance $0. Glasses $0. Medical $0. Sam's Club $0. Business $0. Clothing and shoes $0, for a total of 15. So if we go over here, it's going to give us a total of $406, which is $6 over. I don't think we can wiggle anything up here. We'll wiggle anything that we can up here, and most of the time groceries, the government help is a little more over $360. So that's why I don't worry, because in groceries we normally do a little bit over $360, which will cough up the extra 10. And like I said, we can do any wiggle room on any one of these. You hear a lot of noises. My neighbors just got there with their kids, with their grandchildren, so that might be the noise that you hear. So, and remember, we did the P.O. box, we did the handicap, and we did the son's B-Day. But I think here I also have to put, I need a blade for my silhouette cameo. I do need a blade to continue doing my project. We're almost there, guys. We're this close. We're this close to opening the shop. So I do need to do that. I'm really hoping that I'll be able to do this P.O. box this month. Really hoping. And I just have to do a lot of business stuff. Like a lot of spending will be related to business. So I'm going to try my best for that app income to go up, because I need to do a lot of business. Oh wait, my son's green shirt. Where's the pen? Where's the pen? We need a pen. I really need to move and get a place, an apartment or something, guys, because if you guys saw how I'm working, like how I'm working in my business stuff, it's crazy. It's crazy, guys. The way that I'm working, it's just crazy. Like, it's very uncomfortable. I don't have where to store things. Everything is like on the floor. I gotta be bending a whole lot because I don't have, like, as I said, this table is a console table and it's only as wide as the screen. So my computer screen is like right there, and I gotta put the keyboard here. And for me to be able to film, I gotta move the keyboard and put it somewhere else. And it just doesn't have a lot of space, so I'm not able to put none of the machinery here. I'm not able to put printers on here. I'm not able to put laminated machines or anything on here. My cutter, like nothing. Like, my products are in bins, and the bins are like in corners, and it is chaotic. Okay, like, I need a place where I can have a designated area. And I don't know if that's why my foot on my ankle on the left side is hurting so much. And I think it's because of that, because I'm doing like a lot of bending and a lot of, like, I gotta be standing to go somewhere to pick something up, sit back down, bend over to the floor, and then come back up, and it's a lot, and my knees and my ankles really take a hit. So we got, I know you guys will be a highly supporter of the business, so I'm able to move out. I know you guys are going to show up and show out like you always do, because you guys are awesome and amazing. You guys are always showing out. So here I'm gonna put my son's green shirt that they told me like a day ago. Son's green t-shirt, and then the silhouette. Let me put cameo, because I forget. I know it has a silent H, but, and I got it like right here. Wait a minute. I got it on the floor right here next to me. So this always gets me how to spell this. Silhouette cameo blade. Okay, so those are the things that I have to get. Like I said, my neighbor just got here. So yeah, so these are the other things that I have to get for the this just happened 2 days ago. The blade just went out on me, and I was seeing that there is a blade that's for when you cut a lot of like thicker materials and stuff, instead of the blade that I have, because the blade that I have is more like lighter materials, like sticker cutting, vinyl cutting. That's where it lasts you long. But since I'm not doing that, the blade goes out immediately. So I was checking into this. There is a blade that does cut out, that lasts a little bit longer. I forget what I think it's called, a premium something blade. So I'm gonna check into that. I also wanted to see if, but that's gonna be in the future, because my silhouette has been with me for over 8 years. And it was a used one. I actually bought it online used, so I don't even know how many years of use they gave it before me, but it's been with me for 8 years. And sometimes the screen is a touch screen, so sometimes you press the screen and it doesn't want to take the command. So that's hard, because I do have to press the screen for it to unload. And sometimes I gotta be, and it flashes like you pressed it, but it won't take the command. So I'm thinking that it's about to go out. You know, it's been with me quite a while. I do give it maintenance within. I do clean all the interior areas with a little special spray that I use. I clean it in the inside to make sure, you know, give it up to date. I think that's why it has lasted me so long. Like I said, I don't even know how many years of use that machine had before me. So the fact that it has lasted me 8 years, and it has moved with me during the years, it has moved with me like 4 times. Mind you, I do have a bin. Every time I move, I have a specific color bin for my electronics, and I make sure that that bin goes in my vehicle. And I make sure that, you know, I'm putting it lightly where it needs to be. I only pack there electronics, and I make sure that, you know, things are not bumping into each other and that things are not like too squeezed together. So yeah, I'm very careful with that. So maybe that's why it has lasted me so long. But next time, like when it goes out, I want to get a portrait, because the silhouette portrait is smaller. Within it, this boy is a big boy. is a big, ginormous, like, you know, is a huge machine. So I want like a smaller like portrait. I saw that the portraits are nice and, you know, compact, and that's what I'm trying to get because I don't be having space. So I want to get that smaller one. Plus it's easier for me to clean and easier for me to work with and to put on tabletop. So that's what I want to do in the future. Not right now. Right now, you need to keep working. You better keep working. Okay, so this is what we have in budget for April. I'm hoping that the app income will improve because app income has been slow. Thank you so much to the person who bought me a coffee. Highly appreciate the coffee. You are awesome and amazing. Thank you so much. Like I've always said, my community is the best, so thank you so much. I do have once we reach 350 subscribers, I do have a freebie. It's made. I have to check if I downloaded it. I have to check if it's downloaded so that I can upload it for you guys in the Google Drive. You guys are going to see it. It's so cute. It's very cute. So, and it does have, spoiler alert, it has 3 saving challenges in one. Okay? So you can put it in one for each different month, you know, in the minis. So that's going to be when we hit 350 subscribers. So make sure that you guys share and hit a thumbs up so that we can keep promoting the videos. Right now, I do believe we have 330 subbies. So thank you so much to everyone that has decided to join. We're gonna get this freebie this month. Come on now. We only need 20 more members. With 20 more, we got that freebie out there. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. Thank you so much for the support and for all the positive feedback in the comment section. You guys keep me in your prayers so that I'm able to make extra income this month to get this shop open this month. Guys, keep me in your prayers. Also, you know, just like I said, keep me in your prayers because life has been lifing. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in our next filming session.